I'm Daniel Ferreira, Project Manager here at Daycorp, and today we'll be giving you a purchaser update on the Ashford Castle Hill. This is a Turner design project in an excellent location, just 2 minutes walk from the metro station, close to cafes and bushland parks. It is also near major sporting amenities and the Castle Hill Super Centre. There's a total of 272 apartments in 4 buildings, 103 apartments in Building A, 99 apartments in Building B, 30 apartments in Building C, and 40 apartments in Building D. We are now hard at work with the site excavation. Already 90,000 tonnes of earth have been removed from the site, which is about 80% of the work required. Today we actually achieve a major milestone with our first crane being erected. In the coming months, we'll commence work on the substructure of the buildings. We look forward to providing further updates as the works progress here at the Ashford.